Assalamualaikum प्यारे बच्चों गुबराज के सपोर्ट डेट 14/8/2020 क्लास 8 सब्जेक्ट इंग्लिश टॉपिक स्टार स्पीक टू मैन सब टॉपिक क्वेश्चन विथ आंसर बुक पेज नंबर 74 to 75 क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 that which you call awakening in a satisfying hangover why man boasts of his love for religion but this love leads him to hate men of other religions. He worships God but follows the devil in real life. That is why the poet calls man's awakening nothing but a satisfying hangover. He is drunk with the wine of religion and has forgotten his real self. Question number question number 4 start. Do you think the poem is a wake-up call? Explain. Yes, this poem is a wake-up call. In this poem, the stars try to make man aware of his duties and responsibilities on the earth. They remind him of what he was made for and what he was doing. With his misdeeds, he has put humanity to disgrace. He is badly caught in the satisfying hangover of selfishness. So the stars ask him to wake up from his fanciful dream and be humanly rewards his fellow beings. यानी अत मज इंसान कम खुद दुनिया पे अकिस सहूलियत वातान खतर अकिस मदद कर खतर मगर इस जिम्मेदारी तम निभो न जिम्मेदारी असल पे कह सह लोग तथ मुबदल कर अदल बदल कर तम सम अत ह्यूमनिटी यानी इंसानियत बेजती गई तम सत ठीक सा शाबाश तम लालच सत लैंग्वेज वर्क fill in the blanks to make a meaningful summary of the poem यानी खाली जाए भर summary बन the poem is addressed to dash man. The poet tells man that he was the dash light of reason, but he put humanity to dash disgrace. Nature had provided him with treasures of boundaries, in dash treasures of boundaries, bounties to share them equitably, in barabar, but he sat serpent-like on them. Serpent-like his heart is restless, vibrating, and his vision is clouded by fantasies. In his own garden, he cut the roots while watering twigs and leaves. He ransacked and ravaged his own home. अगर phrases यानी इस्तेमाल कर फ्रेजन यूज करें he chose to be a doctor in his life ठीक से तम हसा कर यह चाहत चूज चुन तम यह पेशे यानी डॉक्टर हम पे जिंदगी में to take I have take to walking up every early बस सुबह सुलि वथान तो वाकस गसान throw open the Mughal garden of Kashmir is thrown open to the public in the month of March. In Mughal garden साहिल कराना कश्मीर कम खतर लुकन हंद खतर मार्च किस रत्स में supposed to be political leaders supposed to be the servants of the people यानी यम political leaders तम लुकन हंद servant नौकर of the people but in fact हकीकत में क्या they are not fall into the things falls into two categories चीज दोन अलग अलग कैटेगरी में डिवाइड यानी मुख्तलिफ कैटेगरी में tear apart. The lion tore a part of her deer. यानी तम कोर अख तम खत्म जख्मी थैंक्स आज गई सन पगह वो इंशाल्लाह